very happy to have the opportunity to talk to Dr. or Professor Tim Liu from MIT. I met a lot of professors, and they all try to start their own company, but I guess they really don't know how. And I think one of the problem is because you are in the research so long, and your project normally is pushed. It's from research and try to push it to the market, and that is not really. That is a little bit difficult than if you doing it by pulling it down from the market. And I just wonder, you are a professor, so what made you kind of think differently from the other professor in terms of
I think it's a good question. I think, I'm a deep believer in really still focusing a lot of effort on basic research. So, I think the stuff that we do is certainly very exciting, but we need people to really focus on also solving the hard basic problems, even if there's no applications. I think that's really important, because a lot of the big discoveries that have come out in biology or other areas have come out not just because people are thinking about translation, but just trying to solve problems for the sake of solving problems. That being said, I think, I've been sort of fortunate in being around other people who try to bring things forward. And so I've been able to find collaborators, mentors who help me think about that way of thinking. So who've encouraged me to go out and talk to people who are doctors in the clinic, or other people who are in the application side, and really try to work backwards from there. So I think it just comes down to the environment and what people's personal interests are. And I don't think we should force translation for the sake of translation, but translation should come out because either the technology is ready or the team is ready to do it. I think that's a more natural way to occur.